People have asked me through the years many, many times if I'm ever surprised by the success that you've had. And I don't hesitate. I always say no, because I know what kind of work ethic you got.
From the moment that he set foot on grounds, I don't think anybody worked harder than he did or put more time in for the Virginia basketball program. You know, he's arguably the best player that I've ever played with.
Oh, inside and throws it down as he serves up the facial with a foul.
Malcolm, congratulations. Enjoy the night. Your number being retired. That means you did something very positive being at the University of Virginia.
Just want to say I'm so proud of you, man. You deserve everything that's happening for you right now. Nobody saw all the hours that you put into the gym like I did, and you'll always be my nephew, and I'll be there supporting you 100% no matter where I am in the world. Love you, man.
Arentes feeds Brogdon, fires it up for three on the way. He got it! The buzzer beater from Malcolm Brogdon!
Malcolm Brogdon, a sensational student athlete.
Enjoy. Make sure you say all the right things, and make sure you smile.
Congrats, Malcolm.
Congratulations, Malcolm.
Tonight, we honor a UVA legend who exemplifies the pillars on which Tony Bennett's program has been built. Humility, passion, unity, servanthood, and thankfulness. A 6'5" guard from the Atlanta area. He came to the university in 2011. He left 5 years later with 2 degrees, including a master's from the Baton School, and a basketball resume that few have surpassed at UVA. He made the All-ACC first team 3 times and was twice named an All-America. In his final year at UVA, he became the first player in ACC history to be honored as both the conference's Player of the Year and the Defensive Player of the Year in the same season. Along the way, he helped the Hoos return to national prominence. During his illustrious career, UVA advanced to the NCAA tournament 4 times and won 111 games, 2 ACC regular season titles, and 1 ACC tournament championship. With 1,809 career points, he ranks 9th all-time at UVA. He's 1st in free throw percentage, 2nd in games played, 5th in minutes played, 6th in three-point field goal percentage, 8th in three-pointers, and 9th in free throws. Now a rookie with the Milwaukee Bucks, he's established himself as one of the NBA's brightest young players. 7 men's basketball players at UVA have their numbers retired. Tonight, that esteemed group adds an 8th member. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome back number 15, Malcolm Brogdon. Malcolm Brogdon is a double Who, holding a bachelor's degree in history and a master's in public policy from the renowned Frank Baton School of Leadership and Public Policy. Malcolm was unable to attend graduation ceremonies in May due to his training schedule preparing for the NBA draft. At this time, Alan Stamm, Dean and Professor of Public Policy, would like to officially present Malcolm with his framed diploma.
Tonight, we are honoring a special young man who had a special career here, and it's a joy to celebrate Malcolm Brogdon. I think this guy represents everything that's right about being a student athlete. A master's degree from Virginia, an unbelievable career, You know, for 5 years, we get to watch him grow up. As fans you do, as coaches you do. He came in as a skinny first, well, Malcolm was never skinny, so he came in as a first year, and for 5 years we watched him grow and do special things on this court, in this community, in front of all you guys. And the last thing I'd say, there's a great proverb that says, a desire accomplished is sweet to the soul. And I hope tonight is sweet to your soul, because this guy came in and accomplished much. He's going up there with some great ones, some great players. We're putting his number up. And I just want this guy, they love you. This guy will be forever remembered in Virginia basketball, and his nickname that his brothers gave him is Humble Moses. This is one of the humblest, hardest working guys I know, and what a joy to coach him. It's an honor. Bless you, Fred.
So I wasn't supposed to say anything. I told Ronnie earlier I wouldn't say anything, but I think I deserve it to everybody in here. I first want to say thank you to God. You know, while I was here in my 5 years, I learned about having a faith, and that if everything else fails, your faith in God, your relationship with the Lord will carry you through. So I got to say thank you there. Second, I want to say thank you to my mama. I don't know where she is, but she's in here somewhere. She's been tremendous. She is, you know, a huge part of the reason. She's right there. She's a huge part of the reason why I'm here, and I just want to say thank you, Mom. I love you. My brother Gino is here too. Without Gino and my other brother Johnny couldn't make it, but without them beating up on me, I wouldn't be here. And then I want to say thank you to everybody standing in that line right there, starting with Coach Bennett. I told him yesterday that it was one of the best decisions of my life to come to University of Virginia. The influence that he and the whole coaching staff have had on my life has been truly amazing. I couldn't have got here without you guys, so thank you. And thank you to my teammates from London all the way to Isaiah, everybody standing in that line. I appreciate y'all, I love y'all, and you know, let's get this win tonight, so let's do it.
Congratulations, man.
Before tonight's game, Malcolm Brogdon became the 8th player in Virginia men's basketball history to have his number officially retired. We're proud to welcome back several of the other 7 members of this elite group. Jeff Lamp and Bryant Stith were unable to be with us tonight.
Malcolm, you deserve everything that is coming to you tonight.
If someone had ever come up to me and asked me to describe what I thought the perfect Virginia basketball player should be, a student and athlete, then I really wouldn't have to think very long or very hard about it, because all I really have to do is describe you.
And you set a new standard for all generations to follow.
Malcolm, to me, you represent, truly, everything that is good and right and special about the University of Virginia.
Enjoy this moment. It's something that you will never, ever forget.
We want to welcome you into our little fraternity and tell you that we couldn't be more proud of you.
Welcome to the family. Congratulations.
Please welcome number 40, Barry Parkhill. Virginia's first ACC Basketball Player of the Year in 1971-72. Barry holds the UVA single-game scoring record with 51 points. Number 50, Ralph Sampson. The three-time ACC and National Player of the Year, currently ranks 4th on the UVA all-time scoring list. First in rebounding, block shots, and field goals made. Due to unexpected travel delays, Ralph is unable to be with us tonight. Let's hear it for number 44, Sean Singletary. Sean finished his career in 2008 as one of 3 Cavaliers to earn first-team All-ACC honors 3 times. He became the first player in ACC history to have 2,000 points, 500 assists, 400 rebounds, and 200 steals in a career. Welcome back, number 41, Wally Walker. Wonderful Wally led Virginia men's basketball to its first ACC tournament title and first NCAA tournament berth in 1976. Wally ranks 7th on the all-time scoring list. We would also like to take a moment to recognize Virginia basketball great number 14, Buzzy Wilkinson. Buzzy finished with a career scoring average of 28.6 points per game, still a UVA and ACC record. And the newest member of the club, number 15, Malcolm Brogdon. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have one more round of applause for these Virginia men's basketball legends.